Today we're taking a look at Orico USB 3.1 Gen 1 thumb drive. These drives come in two different flavors, USB-A and USB-C. Today we're looking at the USB-A version, which has read speeds up to 450 megabytes per second with a metal enclosure to help quickly dissipate the heat. So how does it hold up? I would have to say very well. I have done some synthetic benchmarks, which are not bad. 400 megabytes read and 200 megabytes per second write. But how does it perform in the real world? Let's find out by moving around some various files. And I can tell you I was not disappointed with the results. On average, it was 330 megabytes per second read and 190 megabytes per second write. Overall, this is a great drive. If you pick yours up, check out the link below. Thank you.